amiga, let's have some Chick-fil-A. I have a spicy cool wrap and some fries. I got my honey roasted barbecue and my sweet and spicy sriracha. Also got avocado lime ranch and the rest of my Cutwater lemon drop martini. This one looks so stacked. Babe, I can't open this. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm not gonna kill myself. I was just kidding. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. And then french fries, always with sriracha. Yum. Yum, yum, delicioso. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Mmm. Yum. I know you just shook that, but that's just dry as hell, boy.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Hmm?
Hater.
Whatever. Mmm.